Having too much hardware reserved memory in Windows 11? Learn how to fix it by adjusting settings, updating drivers, and optimizing RAM for better performance. Search for System Configuration in the search bar and open it. Go to the Boot tab. Click on Advanced Options. Ensure that the maximum memory option is unchecked. Click on OK. Then, click Apply and OK again. Finally, restart your PC. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Next solution. Modify virtual memory settings. Right-click on the Windows Start button and open Settings. Navigate to System, then click on About. Scroll down and click on Advanced System Settings. Under the Performance section, click Settings. Go to the Advanced tab and click Change under the Virtual Memory section. Uncheck the option that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select Custom Size and set. Initial size to 1024 MB. Maximum size to 2048 MB. Click OK. Click OK. Then click Apply. And OK to save the changes. Restart your PC to apply these updates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.